creep. I'm a weirdo. What the hell am I doing here? I don't belong here. See her eyes on carbonado. See her eyes and stare back at them. See that girl? Oh, something that is something, and it's still the universe. No, Ricardo, gotta speak through the blind. Are we all just standing naked, taking guesses at the actor that?
Okay, so I got some cards right here. Let's take these cards out. So yeah, deck of cards, right? Whatever. It's a bit laggy, and I'll do it slow. That's just a deck of cards. I'll show you right here at the table. So what I'll do is I'll split the cards evenly. I'll split it again towards the top. It doesn't really matter, and I'll split one more time. Let's say at the bottom. So there's no way that I know what card this is really. So if I put that face down, I can't see what card it is. I'll leave it right there. So what we'll do is we'll ask this deck of cards what card this is. So we'll ask it for its color first. So if we go C-O-L-O-R, so it's a red card. This is a red card. This is a red king right here. It's definitely a red card. That's what we know so far. This card's red. We'll ask for the number. So like if it's a number, if it's an A, it's a 2, whatever it is. So we'll go for the number. We'll go N-U-M-B-E-R. So it's an 8. So it's a red 8. So it's either diamond or heart. So now we'll ask for the matching card. So we know which one it is. So we'll go M-A-P-C-H-I-N-G-C-A-R-D. So this is it's a red 8, and if this is the red 8 of hearts right here, so this has to be the red 8 of diamonds. And look at that, it is the red 8 of diamonds. You want to see a magic trick, dude? I gotta move over this way.
Wait, do it one more.
Hey guys, Sound Control. Hopefully you like that video. Please comment, subscribe, like the video, share the videos. Means a lot. Also check out Sniper666 Pro's channel. I'll put an annotation right here. And as always, Sound Control signing out.